Today, in this video, we will install macOS 11 Big Sur on VMware. Many of you may have noticed that the macOS installation option does not appear in VMware by default. In reality, this option is hidden because macOS can be slightly unstable when running on VMware, which is why it is disabled by default. In this tutorial, we will enable the hidden macOS option and then proceed with the installation step by step. So, without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. First of all, you will need two files: the macOS 11 ISO file and Mac enabler for VMware. You can find the download links in the video description. After that, install VMware, but do not run it yet. First, open Mac enabler and extract it to the desktop. Now, open the extracted folder and run the wininstall.cmd file as administrator. You will see a few commands running in the command prompt, and then the window will close automatically. Once that's done, you can launch VMware. Now, we will create a new virtual machine. As you can see, the macOS option is now visible in the operating system selection. Select macOS, then choose macOS version 11, because the ISO file we downloaded is also macOS 11. Finally, complete the process and create the virtual machine. Set the RAM to the maximum recommended value. For the hard disk, allocate at least 100 gigabytes. Now, click on Edit Virtual Machine Settings. In the CD or DVD section, select the macOS ISO file that we downloaded earlier. After that, go to Display Settings, enable 3D acceleration, and set the video memory to maximum. Save the settings and start the virtual machine. As you can see, macOS files have started loading. The macOS installation setup has fully loaded. Now, we will proceed and start the installation. Please remember, I am fast-forwarding the video to save time, but in reality, this installation takes quite a while. So be patient and don't worry. On a mid-range PC, macOS installation can take anywhere from 30 minutes to 1 hour. And finally, we have successfully installed macOS Big Sur on VMware. If you would like a full review of macOS Big Sur, let me know in the comments. I will create a dedicated review video next. For now, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.